Alrighty, alrighty, we are back in action, folks. We got the box on the ground. Let's see what we got. I know what we got. I think I know what we got. I hope I know what we got. I don't know what we got. All scissors, doesn't matter. Come on. Motorsport uses good tape. Anybody wondering? The best. The best. Let's go. We got parts. Sheesh. Beep, beep. Alrighty. Oh my goodness, yo, do you guys see this? Hold up. The R&D Powerbull V2 version 2. Let's go. This thing eliminates bog. Well, oh sheesh. I'll set that there. Anybody with a 4-stroke, get one of these, especially if it's not fuel injected. If you are a carbureted 4-stroke type of guy, get this now. It's $189, motosport.com. I'm not affiliated, but and I haven't even put it on, but from the reviews alone, I'm excited to put this on. You guys will see tonight. We got a couple hours to just literally, we got a couple hours, guys, to hold up before I go through the rest of the parts. We got a couple hours to go through this thing, ride it, test it tonight. We got work to do. So let's get it done. Let's get her done. Oh, the next R&D part. Hold up. Is it focusing? Focus. Boom. The flex jet screw. I was talking about this. This is the fuel mixture screw right now. My bike's running lean. I'll show you guys how to adjust that. Never put any of this stuff on before, but I'm excited. Let's see if we can fix some problems. 4-stroke carb. These are just like the free flow vent hose, whatnot, doohickeys. Yeah, we're gonna put those on, swap them out. We got this here, cable luber. Make sure your cables stay lubed. Got that. And we got a brand spanking new Motion Pro clutch cable. As I said, we needed one of these, one that's not torn. And sheesh, this thing looks in great condition. That's alright. I just want to start tearing this down. Receipt, we'll keep that. Oh, you want to be Insta famous? 160K followers? Boom. Moto Sport. Huge shout outs. Let's tear this thing down and let's go. We got to do this. Sheesh, I gotta zoom out. But we're gonna, I don't need to zoom out. I'll leave it like that, I guess. But shush. We're gonna take off this bolt, do the same on the other side. Pretty much just pull the whole top off of the gas tank and get to the carb, get to the stuff that we need, and go from there. I'm gonna let you guys see how we do this. Show you guys what is going on. Getting 8 mil. If you know, you know. Hold up. There it is. Let's get it. That's really in there. Someone say that's what she said in the comments below. You heard? Alright. Alright, look at that. I can leave the 2 in the gas tank. Yo, for anybody who's doing this and you want to learn something, if you're getting to the carb and you need to get to the carb quick, just take the two lower bolts of the shroud off. And I guess this only applies to bigger bikes, but take off, there it is. Take off your 2 lower bolts. We took those 2 off. Do the same on the other side. Boom. Boom, chicka, boom, boom. As long as you take the 2 off the 2 lower side and you disconnect, you have to, sheesh. Take the 2 off the lower side. Do I have, I gotta take these off. So you take the 2 off the lower side and essentially you gotta take this, I don't know if you guys can see that. Now let me angle this up. We're gonna get you guys the overall look. All right, so this bolt's gotta come off. We'll pull our hose off there. Oh, that's on there. All right. Boom, that's off. Make sure we keep this somewhere. I usually try and do a good job keeping bolts where they're supposed to be, but as you guys can see now, this pretty much is ready to just come off with the seat. So what we're gonna do now is, I don't have a bolt right there in the lower part right here for this side plastic, but I'm gonna pull this one off right here. Yep, just gonna pull these off and it should pop, the seat should pop off, and I can start working just down, which is going to be the easiest way, one of the easiest ways. I might be wrong. If I'm wrong, prove me wrong. Pretty sure this is a 10. Yup. Boom. Make sure you keep your bolts, your nuts and your bolts in a place where you don't lose them, folks. I got a 10 up top and I got an 8 on the lower. Boom. Here we go. Done. I do have one up and I got washers. Well, I do have a washer there, so I gotta be mindful of that. I'll just put that right in there. Boom. And I have a washer up there. Got a washer down here. I have washers. Get to that air filter, boys. Sheesh. There it is. There it. We still, the seat still connected. Boom, pop that off. Super easy, super quick, and boom, look at that. We're already torn down. Now the fun and easy part, let me angle you guys yet again, is this top part. Sheesh. Make sure it stays. I want you guys to get the full, there we go. The shrouds and gas tank, super easy. Once make sure your gas is off if you're gonna do what I'm doing. Got the adjustable, got the handy dandy, you know. and got these jaunts. Everything we need, as I just knocked over a ratchet piece, a rat jaunt. Alright. What I'm doing here, if you guys want to know, well, instead of telling you, well, I'm not trying to show you as best I can. It's probably not, it's not going to work. So the carb, let's, sheesh, we got to lower this. Alright, so what we're attempting to do, let's angle up a little bit here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but right up where my finger's at, you got a rubber piece that connects there. I'm just gonna pop that down. It's usually easiest to do when you have a pair of, I don't know, whatever these things are called. Needle nose pliers. You just slide it down. It's got a little bit. There it goes. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, we're so out of focus. We're so out of focus. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see this or not. This is what we just pulled off of the petcock, which goes to the gas tank. There it is. We got it off. Literally just pulled in one. I pulled the whole thing. I'll rearrange the camera and show you guys. Super simple way though. So what we just did is pulled that off just like that. Still got the top two attached. And this is where we're at right now. Boom. No brakes, just going. Alright, so this is what we gotta get to up here. Well, not up here really. We gotta come in, and is it like the perfect angle? We might actually lower it just a tiny bit. Oh, there it is. There it is. Money shot. Money, money, money. There we go. Lowering the tripod once more. Adjust the angle. Bam. There we go. I can get you guys super close. Got the screwdriver. We are back. So guys, in order to get these carbs on, I don't know how well you can see. Do you see where my finger's at? No, because what the fuck does this go to? Oh, is this the... That's probably the one that shoots oil. That's my oil overshot. Yep. Alright, so this here jaunt, this here will go right here. You just gotta loosen the intake up. Now you don't actually need to take these screws out all the way. I do want to make that known. So these right here, you do not need to take these out all the way. There's one there, and there's one right here. One leading to the intake, one leading to the exhaust. And pretty simple, you just loosen them. We're going to continue doing that. Pop the carb out like so. I hope my hand doesn't... Yeah, we're looking good. We are looking good, boys. Alright, this one I have quite a bit of leeway with back here, so I'm going to just back this off as much as I want to without going too far and taking the whole thing out. Same with the intake. But it's fairly easy once you get it. Let's see. Boy, I could. Alright. We're gonna pull. Sheesh. I had a lot of stuff in the way that we can get out of the way. This right here. Oh, there's our gas. We can pop this off for now. Let that just dangle. That'll be fine. Okay. As I say, it's gonna be easy. Go and move the carb a little bit, and that's like, ugh. I don't want to puncture the air box, but you gotta gotta wiggle it a little bit. There it comes. And I'm just wiggling it ever so slightly. There you go. There you go. And it's out for as much as for what I need it to do. For what I need it, this will suffice. I have not messed with anything this big, but hey, we will make it work. We can start by pulling these things out, these old tubes. Not messing with these right now. Oh, where do those are? Up top, I'm assuming. Here, I gotta watch how these are threaded at the same time, because sheesh, I don't even know what I'm doing or where I'm starting. That's the fun in this. I have no clue, but we'll make it work. Ain't that right? Ain't that right, guys? I hope you guys are supporting me right now while I'm doing this, talking to myself, figuring out what I'm gonna do. I have no clue, but we're gonna try and make it work. And I really don't. I'm scared to take apart a carb. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't. Okay, so we got. Alright, so here's the flat jet. Includes flex jet, remote fuel screw, bracket, screw spring, washer, O-ring. Okay. Before I can put any of this stuff on, I gotta... Sheesh. Okay. Let's not mess with that right now. Does this have Please tell me, does this just bolt on? I'm talking to myself, guys. We got the R&D Power Bowl here with its instructions. Oh, R&D Racing Engines. Oh shoot. What is this? I don't know what this is. Maybe one of you guys will be able to help me out, but I'm seeing things I don't even know. I'm seeing things that I don't even know. Choo! Look at this thing, yo. Holy Toledo. This thing is sick. It looks just like the Finnish R&D. Like, look at that compared to boom. What? Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna assume that this bolts to this. I'm gonna assume that that's some that these somehow go together. Gotta make sure we don't damage. I don't know what all this stuff is, but this I'm excited. I'm excited. Even if I can't start it tonight, I will be excited just to have it on and just to have that peace of mind. Oh man. Yeah. So I gotta, sheesh. This is gonna be a project that I don't know if I'm ready to start, but this might be a very long night. If it is, I got the camera. You guys can keep me company, and we'll get through this together. I'm gonna just pull some stuff out of my way here. That's my overflow. It should be overflow. I can redirect this stuff then and get it where it needs to be, y'all. Alright, let's just say fuck this. Big pull. Oh, that's why. Oh yeah. That's why. Okay. I don't know how much more I can rotate this without, yeah, I don't want to pull too much on my throttle cables either. That's another, not misconception, but there's not much room here. I'm gonna stuff. So right now, while I'm doing this, I'm pulling my throttle cables down a little bit, just to make sure that I don't pull on those while I go to rotate this. That way I can rotate my carb without fully taking it out. That's the mission of it. Damn. Yo, I got so many hoses that need sheesh. Alright, we can remove that. We'll remove it and just put it right back in, actually. I'm just gonna, yeah. Work smarter, not harder, folks. I don't know if I'm doing that right or not, but hey.